I actually parked at the wrong place. I paid $10 for nothing. It's free to park here, but I am going to utilize that $10 and then go visit the beach later. So I paid, and it's not really what I needed, but it's something that I'm gonna use. So. We started all the way out there, and now we have to go all the way up there. Okay, let's go. I am being eaten alive by mosquitoes, so I'm not gonna get any drone shots. I'm just gonna hike back down. Getting up here was way harder. Getting to that rock down there was easy. Getting up here, super hard. It was like as difficult as the whole trip. Oh my gosh. All right, now time to get back and then head out to the beach out there and